Hello everybody, so welcome to our channel 𝐂𝐤𝐬𝐿. So today's discussion is very interesting and it is for all those candidates who are preparing for 𝐂𝐸T 2028 and about to start their 𝐂𝐸T journey. So you have one question in your mind if you are a serious 𝐂𝐸T aspirant, that how to start your preparation for achieving a single digit rank. What is the secret recipe to achieve a single digit rank? So today in this video, I Badal Soni 𝐂𝐤𝐳𝐤 would be discussing what is the secret recipe for achieving a single digit rank in 𝐂𝐸T, that is to be in the top 10. Every serious 𝐂𝐸T aspirant have this dream, and if you are preparing for 𝐂𝐸T, you should always have this dream to be in top 10. So first of all, let's understand what is 𝐂𝐸T, that is Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering. It is conducted by IITs, and in this exam generally aptitude based questions are asked, that is being designed to check the analytical mindset of the candidate. So these are application based question based on the syllabus that is being covered in your respective engineering branch, whether you are from civil engineering, electrical, electronics, mechanical or computer science. So the question that are being asked is from your BTech curriculum only, but the question are more application based. So they would be testing your analytical mindset. So why it is conducted? It is the main aim for giving 𝐂𝐸T is to get MTech admission in top IITs, or it can be used for PSU recruitment, or you can use the 𝐂𝐸T score for having research opportunities as well. You can even go abroad to do MS. Many countries like Germany, Singapore, they accept 𝐂𝐸T score and you can do MS there. Okay. So a good exam if you want to establish your career after completion of BTech. So why aim for single digit rank? See, if you have achieved a single digit rank, I don't have to mention that wherever you keep your finger, you will get that opportunity. So why you should aim for a single digit rank? First, benefits. If you are from a computer science branch, everybody in the computer science branch are interested in doing MTech from a top notch IIT like IIT Bombay, Delhi, Madras. So even if you are in other branches also like civil engineering, mechanical, electrical, and if you want to go for a higher study, if you want to upgrade yourself to MTech, so if you achieve a single digit rank, you can have an opportunity to land your career in any of these premier IITs or in fact in ISCs as well. Then top PSU opportunity, many of you want a job, a government job after your BTech. So getting a single digit rank will fetch your or will help you accomplish your dream of working in any top PSU, Maharatna, Navratna, anywhere like IOC, ONGC, Power Grid. There are so many PSUs that recruit through 𝐂𝐸T. Strong research career you can build, or you can go for higher fellowship as well as recognition programs. So these are many benefits that come to you if you achieve a single digit rank. Now what should be the roadmap for reaching this single digit rank? How you can achieve the single digit rank? So foundation year 1, best time to start your preparation is second year. So 2-year preparation roadmap I am showing you. If you start your preparation from second year of BTech, it's the best time to start the preparation. So a 2-year program that we offer through our Shreshth batch, and many of our students have from the Shreshth batch have been able to achieve single digit rank. So in the 2-year program, how you should proceed? In the year 1, that is the foundation year. In this year, you will have to build your concepts, strong concepts. So focus on engineering maths, because engineering maths carry a lot of weightage and engineering aptitude around 28 marks are being carried by this engineering maths and engineering aptitude only. So focus on these two as well as the core subjects. So build your concepts, develop your notes, etc. in the year 1. So your focus should be on building your concepts, strong concepts. And after building strong concept, you should focus on solving previous year question to see whether the concepts that you have built, you are able to apply them in solving the questions or not. Next, phase 2, that is the second year beginning. In the first year, you should be able to complete your entire syllabus. And in the second year, you should focus on advanced problem solving now. Since in the first year you have already completed your syllabus, now you can focus on advanced problem solving, topic wise test as well as the weekly revisions. Daily study plan should be, for concept learning you should dedicate at least 2 hours daily, for problem solving at least 4 hours, and for PYQ practice at least 2 hours. And weekly you should always revise. The more and more you revise, the more and more command you will have on the concepts that you have developed. Then rank booster, phase 3 is your rank booster. See, for getting a good rank you have to regularly give test. A topper gives a lot of test. So full length mock test you should give. That will help you in improving your speed as well as your accuracy. A golden rule is 1 test is equal to 3-hour analysis. So after giving a 3-hour test, you should at least spend 3 hours for analyzing your mistakes in the test and properly make your error notebook and constantly revise your mistakes. So focus on mock test, focus on formula revision, that is the final revision in the last 2-3 months. Focus on the error notebook that you have prepared while giving the test series, and you should develop a strategy for time management. In the limited time, you have to revise more efficiently. Top rankers at least solve 50 to 70 mock tests. You should remember this. Okay. Essential resources for securing the top rank. PYQ, this is redundant. You will have to solve PYQ. PYQ is the key to success. Standard textbooks, online test series. These are the standard or the resources, essential resources that would be required to achieve a good rank. And all these resources are provided by 𝐂𝐸𝐻. So you don't have to worry. We have our PYQ question papers or previous year question book in which every faculty has given a video solution as well. So very authentic book, you can refer that. Okay. Now mindset for AR1 is consistency, deep conceptual understanding, strong problem solving ability, and lastly smart revision strategy. As I said, without a good revision you can't expect a good rank. Success in GATE comes from consistency, not from intensity. You have to be consistent. Every day you will have to spend time, and the more and more you spend time in your preparation, the better your rank would be, and ultimately you would be achieving AR1, not to worry. Common mistakes that you should avoid: ignoring PYQ, that is a very deadly mistake. Studying too many books, too many quick cooks spoil the cake. So studying from too many books will not help. Studying from too many mentors will not help. Fix a platform, fix your books and study from those only. You are giving mock tests but not analyzing them, total waste. If you are giving mock tests, then you will have to analyze them. Prepare your error notebook. That only help you reducing your errors in the main exam and lack of revision. The more you revise, the better it would be, because in the ultimate exam in 3 hours, all the subjects whatever you have studied in your BTech would be tested. So without proper revision, you won't be able to recall the concepts in the exam. So, revision you should focus. The more you revise, the more would be better for you. So, our Vishwas Divas is still going on. So, your offer will end in few hours. So, all the courses that is there, you can see heavy discount is already offered. So, this is Nirmaan GATE 2029. Whoever want a 3 years structured program can enroll in it. It will help you in your semester preparation as well, in your semester exams as well. The course is so designed that will help you in semester exams for securing good CGPA. Then in all the other courses, you will have at least up to 56% off on all ESE and GATE batches, and it will end in few hours. So, if you have decided to prepare for GATE, it is the right time to start the preparation. So, enroll in any of the batches according to your branch and you can start your preparation ASAP. So, it is a limited time offer, in few hours it will be gone. Then even if you text me over my Telegram, it is of no use. So, before it is being too late, start it. And in this Vishwas Divas, we are offering the GATE Khajana also with this batches only at rupees 111. So, this is a temporary offer. You will not get this offer throughout the year. So, this Khajana is very ultimate product of GATE Wallah, in which you will get all the previously recorded lectures. Very good product. ESE Mains 2026 batch is going on. So, if you are preparing for ESE Mains, you can enroll in it. And if you have already qualified in ESE Prelims, just scan this QR code and you can start your preparation for free with us. Okay. So, these are all our offerings. So, these are all our Telegram channels. If you want to personally connect with me, so this is my Telegram channel. If you want to personally connect with me, beta, this is my Telegram channel. You can just subscribe me out there. For any queries, you can just subscribe it. So, for any query, you can just message in the group. I would always be available. And rest all the other Telegram channels for the respective branches are being shown here. So, you can scan it and you can join. So, all the very best for your preparation. All the best.